Hello everybody, welcome and welcome back to my channel, A Day in the Life of Rhea. Thanks for stopping by and tuning in, and welcome to today's video. Right now I'm headed to a local shop. I'm going to go get a coconut. That's the first thing that I'm going to get. So I would just like to show what you can get with $5 in Cambodia. More specifically, Siem Reap. So stay tuned if you would like to know. So this is 20,000 real. It's about $5 US, and I have noticed that their currency has been dropping lately. And I've been using real a lot more lately because they've been trying to promote their currency and not allowing you to get small US bills out of the ATM. So I don't know. I might have to start using US dollars again. So we'll see. But this is about $5. So we'll see what I get today. So I'm taking my stick with me today because a lot of the dogs to the left, the way that I'm walking, they're pretty vicious and they start acting crazy. I be thinking it's the owners that's putting them up to it. But if they catch me on the right day, they're going to get Zorro. This is around the area the dogs start acting up. I try to cross the street because they mainly be on the left side, but I noticed they've been on the right side too. I hope they don't bother me. I'm not for it today. There he go, right there. I'm trying to creep. Had to Zorro him today. Don't test me. I see some coconuts here, but I don't know if they have any cold ones. It could save me a walk, even though I need to walk some extra miles. I don't really see anybody. I don't feel like waiting. Let me see. So he just directed me back the other way and said that they have coconuts over here, so we'll see. I hope it's nice and big. The one that I see on the table is little. I don't know. I don't like certain vibes of people, so we'll see. You have cold coconut? Okay. I'll take one. My favorite. Is wasting. I'm so happy. This be the highlight of my day sometimes, but look at these beautiful roosters. And a little baby. Hey, pretty. He is so pretty. That's probably the male. So I thought I was going for a longer walk and I would have more time to order my food so that by the time I get back it will be ready, but I'm about to order it now so I won't have to wait as long. I got this coconut in my hand in the same hand as my stick, so I feel a little vulnerable. I don't want to drop my coconut to have to fight this dog. No weapons formed against me shall prosper today. Stay asleep, doggy. They're all asleep. They better not bother me today. So I'm going into the Food Panda app right now to order my food so that when I get back I'll have less time to wait. I'm ordering me a chicken sandwich and some french fries. They're $1 a piece. And now they have a delivery service fee of 65 cents. So I'll have to factor that into the cost. So I just ordered my food. I need to hurry up and order my green tea drink. I love seeing the cows. So the place that I was about to order my green tea from, they're not open until tomorrow. So I have to find another place to get a green tea from. It was the perfect price. Because 75 cents for my coconut, $1 for my chicken sandwich, $1 for my french fries, 65-cent delivery, plus $1 for my green tea, and 65 cents for the delivery fee. That would have been $5 perfectly. So I'll try to see if I can hurry up and find another $1 green tea. That sucks. But OMG, I've been wanting to play volleyball with these guys over here. So now I have to find another place for some green tea. That sucks. So I just got my food. I'm back home. I'm going up here. Maybe let this coconut get cold a little bit as I wait for my green tea. Since I had to take extra time to order it, I couldn't time it where they got here at the same time. So I'll have to make a second trip back down here, but it's okay. I need the exercise anyway. I just love the view back here. It's so pretty. I might sit out here getting my green tea frappe. My favorite. Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay.
Have a nice evening.
You too. Bye. I'm so glad it didn't spill this time. They used to spill all the time, and I would be so disappointed. So I'm just trying to hurry up and get back upstairs so I can sit down and enjoy my food while it's still some light outside and enjoy the view. I'll see you then. So for $5, I was able to get a coconut, a green tea frappe, got me some of my favorite french fries with some ketchup, and a nice chicken sandwich. If it wasn't for the delivery fees, I would have been able to get more. They didn't change the bread, the packaging, and everything. What's going on? But anyways, I'm about to enjoy my evening. I hope everyone is having a good day. So if you would like to continue watching as I eat my food and enjoy my evening, then continue to do so. $1 chicken sandwich. They changed the bread and the packaging is a little bit different. They stapled it rather than putting a rubber band on it, but hopefully it still is good. It's a lot harder than it normally is, but I'm eating it today. Let me try this coconut. It's from a different place, so let me see how fresh and good it is, or sweet, cold. It's alright, it's alright. So this is my little view. Most of the time I'm in a house, but sometimes it's nice to get out, especially when it's a nice sunset. You can't really see it from here. I'll get up in a minute. So I'm finished eating my dinner and I just came down here to enjoy the view and watch the sunset and drink the rest of my coconut and my favorite green tea frappe. Watching the cows and the birds. Palm trees are my favorite. If you made it this far, you know I always thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!